Okay, this is another makeup video. Today I have Emmy with me and not Aniston. I'm just gonna show you a quick look that you can do. I wore this twice this past week to work, and Aniston, of course, really liked it because there's sparkles on your eyes. So for the first, I'm gonna try and pinch out the very last of this, and I'm gonna mix it a little bit, probably with the Flawless one, because there is really nothing in this. And I haven't put my moisturizer on yet. I just use the Tula 24-hour moisturizer, and then like once a week or twice a week, I will use these Tan Lux face drops. But I just put like 2 in my hand, and I mix it with the moisturizer. It's supposed to moisturize your face up instead of pulling it down, because if you do this every day, twice a day, you're really pulling on your skin. Okay, I'm back, and I also dampened my beauty blender. So let's see how much we can squeeze out of here. Might not be using this. I'm determined. Yes. This is a very light cover, but I am just looking to look a little bit more alive. Brows with the same brow pencil that I did in my last tutorial. Okay, and then same concealer. My favorite, the Tarte Shape Tape. And we're gonna put it here and under here. Uh-oh. Okay, and this is how we're gonna shape these brows. And go under. Too Faced Natural Lust palette. I use Call Me Back. Where is it? Right there. No, right there. Okay, so normally you would do these first, and then you would do your under eye concealer. But I'm getting thrown for a loop here because Emmy girl is awake. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the Silk Robe, which is just like my skin tone, sort of. No shimmer, and that is going up here. And then I'm going to set my under eye with this Park Avenue Princess palette that smells so good, but it really does. I was doing my sister's makeup for a wedding we were in last weekend, and that's what every single one of them was like, what is that smell? Like, it's this, it's like vanilla yumminess on your face. Okay, bronze it up really quick. Under here, the Afterglow Urban Decay, this light one, and I'm just going to put some shimmer. The Tarte blush in Party. There's like a lot of A's, so Party. My cheekbone. Okay, this is where the shimmer is. This is what Aniston loves. So find yourself like, I don't know, this is like a shadow liner. I use that brush, and then I take this, let me find it. This is a Color Chameleon Charlotte Tilbury. This is Black Diamond for blue eyes. This is the last step. You're also not supposed to pull your eye like that. It's really hard for me to not do it to make your eyes stay younger. So I'm gonna really try. Okay, so you do that, and then I don't want it to be, I really honestly hate eyeliner on myself because my eyes are kind of smaller here. I don't really have that big of a lid, so I feel like it makes them look smaller. So to open them up, I just normally do white eyeliner on my waterline, and then not very much eyeliner at all. But I'm just blending it. Blending it with this brush, pushing it up to make it look more like eyeliner. I'm sorry, to make it look more like eyeshadow, not eyeliner. And then I feel like it looks pretty, so it's just like a little shimmer. White eyeliner under here. Mascara. Alright, here's little Emmy. Yeah, is that Emmy? And I'm just gonna do Stila mascara this time, just piling it on. Just like before, but nothing too crazy on my lips. I have this lighter liner from Lancome, and it is in shade Natural Mauve. Okay, then we're gonna do sheer patina. I really think they mislabeled this bottle. I really think that it is sheer perla because I know what patina looks like and it's not that. And then just a little bit of gloss.